Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Metatrader 5 from your PC, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu and allow you to quickly access system settings and applications. Once you've pressed the Windows key, type in Settings in the search bar that appears. This will bring up the Windows Settings application, which is where you'll manage all your installed programs and system configurations. Go ahead and click on the Settings option that shows up in the search results. This will open the main settings window where you can control various aspects of your Windows system. Once inside Settings, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu with several options. From this menu, click on Apps. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the applications installed on your computer, including viewing, modifying, or removing them. After clicking Apps, you'll see a new menu appear. Look for and click on Installed Apps. This option displays a complete list of every program currently installed on your PC, making it easy to locate the specific application you want to remove. Now, in the search bar at the top of the installed apps list, type in Metatrader 5. This will filter the list and show you only the Metatrader 5 applications, saving you time from scrolling through all your installed programs. Once Metatrader 5 appears in the search results, you'll notice 3 dots located beside it. These dots represent the options menu for that specific application. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with available actions. From this menu, select Uninstall. This initiates the removal process for Metatrader 5 from your system. A confirmation message will then appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to remove the application. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental uninstallations. Click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. Next, another prompt will appear asking for final confirmation. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. At this point, you'll see an uninstaller window specifically for Metatrader 5. Here's an important step. Look for a checkbox labeled Delete User Personal Data. If you want to completely remove all your personal settings, trading history, and configuration files associated with Metatrader 5, make sure to check this box. This ensures a clean removal with no leftover data. After checking the box, click Next to continue. The uninstaller will process your request and remove all the necessary files from your computer. Once that's complete, click Finish to close the uninstaller window, and that's it. Metatrader 5 has been successfully removed from your PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.